Today I'm gonna share an easy exercise for full body fat loss. Let's start the routine by warming up. Easy march. Up next, jumping jacks and do the 15 repetitions with 3 sets. March for 15 seconds. Now, do the high knees for 15 times. March for 15 seconds. Touching your toes, repeat this set for 10 times on left side and 10 times on right side. And march for 15 seconds. Now let's do a set of butt kicks with 15 repetitions. And march for 5 seconds. Up next, elbow knees touch, 10 repetitions left side and 10 repetitions on right side. March for 15 seconds. Up next, a set of flap under your thighs with 10 repetitions. March for 10 seconds. Now let's do another set, that is touching your feet with 15 repetitions. And march for 5 seconds. Let's cool down our body by stretching. Stretching is very important after doing any kind of exercise. And easy march for 5 seconds. Let's end up this routine by doing easy march for 15 seconds.